Had dozens of calls and hours worth of audio recordings. We filed an open records request to get access to the conversations he was having with family members after each day of trial concluded. Throughout the calls, Brooks Houck maintaining his innocence, saying that the prosecution is doing anything to force fit evidence together. But what stood out to me is the concern over how that testimony was being perceived in the courtroom.
I've been humbled through this whole process, and I know the realization anything can happen. But you know something? I feel good about 12 peers being able to sort through this.
The day before Brooks Houck was found guilty of murder, he made a jailhouse phone call to his girlfriend Crystal Maupin with the confident message, "I feel good." But throughout the 8-day trial in the case of Crystal Rogers, his conversations behind the scenes weren't always confident. There was curiosity.
Yeah, were you paying attention to any of the body language or any of the stuff on the jury today? It was kind of a hard crowd to read, aren't they?
WHA's 11 News went through hours of phone calls Houck made to his mother, Rosemary, sister, Rhonda McElvoy, and girlfriend from June 24th to July 8th. The calls reveal Houck was worried about how evidence is being perceived.
Could you tell stuff was fabricated today? Could you tell stuff was fabricated?
The call you just heard was made to Maupin on June 30th. That's the same day former Houck employee Charlie Girdley took the stand with the bombshell testimony.
But he said he'd been shave their head and pull their teeth and the hogs would do rest.
Okay. Houck made a phone call to his mother, Rosemary Houck, who was mentioned in Girdley's testimony for allegedly telling Girdley, quote, they would have been better off if she was gone long before she was. Her reaction.
And I don't even know that Girdley boy. I don't even know him.
The mother and son talking about that phrase, unindicted co-conspirators.
Well, we're going to manage that your family's under attack, I can tell you that.
I think so. Me, I'm number one.
But evidence was rarely brought up in the phone calls. Family members more so recounted the emotion of the trial. In Houck's own words, I'm hopeful and optimistic, but I'm a realist too.
I'm just relying on these 12 strangers to be able to see through it, and it's got to be hard and difficult on them, but that's my only hope, because the jail and law enforcement and all the rest of them, they're all against me,
Tomorrow is the first of two sentencing for the three men found guilty of the murder of Crystal Rogers. Steve Lawson is being recommended 17 years in prison for conspiracy to commit murder and evidence tampering. Houck's sentencing is August 21st. In studio, Alexandra Goldberg, WHA's 11 on your side.